All right, class. So we're continuing on in absolute value. So if your page looks like mine and it's already full, okay, it's already full like this, then go ahead and move on to the second page on the back. You can go here and then go on the back, okay? Or if you have a notebook, then you go ahead and you put it on the back. All right, and then just put 4.2 absolute value. We're continuing on. Now, this is a lot of writing, right? There's actually a simpler way of writing the absolute value, or what is the absolute value. Okay, there's a symbol for it. Okay, there's a symbol that you can put instead of writing the whole sentence now. Okay, so you're gonna write over here. Now, if you're continuing on here because you have room, go ahead. Okay, this is because I made a new page. That's all. If you want to make a new page, you can do that too. Okay, what is the absolute value symbol? There's a symbol for it. Okay, instead of just writing everything. All right, so let me go ahead and introduce that to you now. So the symbol for absolute value is a bar on each side of a number. Okay, so on this slide, you can see towards the right here on this side, you have this written too. Okay, it's showing you the absolute value. So here's an example. So the absolute value, this means the absolute value. The absolute value of -6 equals 6. The absolute value of -6 is 6. Why? Because when you put it on a number line, okay, here's 0. -6 is on this side, yes? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here's -6 here, right here. What's the distance of -6 to 0? What's the distance? Okay, the distance is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's the distance. So the absolute value of -6 is 6. Okay? All right? Make sure you guys are copying this down, okay? Now, there's three more examples here on the bottom, 4, 5, and 6. I'm just writing what is the absolute value. So for the first one, go ahead and do the first one. You can write it on this slide, or you can wait and copy what I'm about to put on here. All right? Okay, guys. All right, so here's 4, 5, and 6 right here. So number 4 asks, what is the absolute value of 7? So the absolute value of 7 is 7. The distance of 7 from 0 is 7. Look, here is a number line. I drew the number line. Here's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's the distance. So the absolute value of 7 is 7. Number 5. What is the absolute value of -13? It's 13. Look, here's -13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's 13 spaces from 0. That's it. That's why it's always positive. And then the last one, what is the absolute value of 97.1? Well, it's 97.1. Look, here's a number line. Here's 0, 50, 100. 97.1 is like right there, yes? So if you do your arches, which is going to take forever, arches, the distance from here to 0 is 97.1. All right? So you're done, guys. So now, go ahead and copy this, all of this, make sure all this is copied, okay? And on the next slide, you're going to put the picture of this. Now, some of you probably didn't do 4, 5, and 6 on here. That's fine. But if those of you that did, make sure everything's nice and neat, okay? Make sure it's neater than mine. All right? If not, most of you will probably just put this picture, just this top one, okay? All right, guys. That's it. Let's keep going.